Stone beats against this cage of bone. I wonder if it'll ever free my soul. 'Cause I've been serving 20-some years in the same old body with the same old fears following me around like a shadow. I can feel it, something good is coming down the line. I can see it come tomorrow. It's all gonna be alright. I've been dying to be alive. The city lights burn like fires off into darkest nights. I wonder if my name will fade away. 'Cause I've been chasing down this dream since I was only 17. What is fame if you forget your reasons? Well, I can feel it, something good is coming